So we got a bit of the wobbly shifter syndrome going on with this thing. So if we put this thing in first, look at all that play we're getting. So there's a couple things that can go wrong that gives it that play, or that wear out to give it that play. One of them being a shift knuckle. So that's something I have already replaced on my WRX. That made a massive difference in how much play there was with the gear stick, but it's also a very annoying job to do, because you got to try get some sort of hole punch or center punch to try and get out the little pin that holds all of that in. And I recommend, if you are doing that, ignore the pin, putting a new one in, just put some sort of bolts. The future change will be much easier. Some of the other stuff that can happen is the bushes themselves on one of the arms underneath the car. I can't remember the name of the arm, so we'll go under and I'll show you guys what we're talking about. So under here we've got this bush here that is on the same arm and then goes along to the back up here. This bush here is what is proper worn out on us. And that shifter linkage I was talking about is this one here. So that one there is a royal annoyance to do. This car thankfully has already had it done, so you don't have to worry about that one. A little bit of penetrant on there just to make the job a little bit easier. Come on, pop out of there. Just do it. Just do it. There we go. So this here is one of the ruined pieces. I'm thinking the best way is going to be cut the one side or one lip off one, because this is all one piece that got pressed in. Slice it off, push it out. God, it's so annoying to do this with a camera in the way. Just gonna use that bolt to try push. Come on, get off there. And that there is our old bush. I probably sound like crap at the moment. I'm just coming back from tonsillitis again. So this one, 2-piece bush compared to a 1-piece. This is also polyurethane. This will be much more durable against the stuff on the road. Little metal sleeve goes inside, and that goes back into this one's position. And then got the polyurethane bush for the rear, and we got our 2 little inserts here for our bolts, and that is that job. So easy. And then they also give you new bolts, because you've got the thickness of the bush now to go through, whereas this one was just that little bit of metal. Chuck this one up first just to get this one aligned. Now to see if it was worth it. These bushes were hammered anyway, so it was probably good to replace them regardless. There's still a little bit of play. It's still the standard throw shifter, so it does have a lot of leverage, so any little movement anywhere in the line, it is going to be not exaggerated. I don't know if exaggerated is the word. But at some point in the short future, I do want to put on a short throw onto this thing as well, and that will then minimize how much play that has as well. But for now, it's hot as heck, and I want to go inside.